Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
I can't tell if I...
Excuse us. There should be 40 tickets. Your mom wanted me to take a video.
That's just like a bad pot.
Go whip!
Amazing. go and go on an orange groves and they go pollinate the oranges. And then they come back and make honey.
How about a frosted lemonade?
Can we get closer?
Up to the table.
Right here.
We're sanctuary, so birds come to us, they stay. We don't ever knock out birds. So we needed to figure out how to support all our birds, but we don't have any fees. So this guy here takes donations out of your pocket, puts them in the bucket, and gives them treats, and that's what supports us. Daddy, something put in your pocket so it sticks out. So, yeah. Give it up back. Put in your pocket. He moves so fast. Put your hand out flat. Good job. Thank you very much.
No problem.
You want Italian ice?
They have different Italian ice. They got lemonade, blueberry, mango, peach, sour cherry, pina colada, watermelon, sour apple, blue raspberry, strawberry, chocolate, tropical, and coconut. Coconut?
I got a napkin too. Did we come in this way?
Huh?
Did we come in this way?
No, we came back there. We were just at that corner. Yeah, we were just at that corner. There's a
Okay.
Yeah, I'll go that way.
Thank you. Get a free sample.
we were already over here.
Do you want to go back around? Here you come
Maybe
here.
when we leave, I'll
You want to take a bite? Who you are? Excuse me. Thank you.
They let her have a table out there. We have, they're free. It's a chance to make a gift for the public.
Wait a minute.
don't have to be Italy. We have free
Oh, look at the pink flamingo. You want to see clothes? Okay, wait. She wants to see clothes. Yeah, I know. Okay, let's look. Wow. Summer vibes. Sweet summer. That's an apron. Let's look in here for the dresses. Oh. Yeah.
But that's not watermelon.
No.
There you go.
That's too tiny for you. Wow. Nice,
Are
huh?
these just aprons?
You
Huh?
want some more pumpkin?
Are these just all aprons? Yes, it's that
The
one.
aprons are right here. Those are the aprons. Hey, nice watermelon one. Whoa. That's neat, huh?
Just looking.
Yeah.
Were you in the contest, the pageant?
Nah, we got here late.
Oh, did you?
Look, I haven't seen a clothespin hanger in a while.
Oh, wow, yeah. Wow, look at these. They're keychains.
Say thank you.
Want a bite?
Here, let me see Mia.
If you leave it running for a very long time.
Not only the sippy cup, they come with this. So if you don't want to use the sippy cup, it comes like a regular cup. The mermaid. Unicorns over there. No. What do you like? The bigger cup? You want the watermelon one? You want the watermelon one? Normally it's 20, but for you, 15. What? 10. Okay, he overruled me. 10.
Oh, thank you. Thanks so much.
Yeah, we got a watermelon.
Let's have an Instagram and I'll tag you.
Watermelon bite card?
No, yes, I do. It's at the top of the call. Okay.
Did you want a bite?
Here, what? You're taking the family for a fun at Indian Rock City. It's a... You like the color straw or you want a pink one?
It matches the watermelon.
It matches the watermelon, yeah. You want it? Or you want a different one? You want green or pink?
You want a different color?
Match it with the watermelon.
Green or pink, honey?
Pink.
Pink? Okay. There's that.
Thank you.
Thank you. Just to let you know, that's not for my person, that's for the whole family. And I'm actually doing a special on top of that special today. Yeah.
Pineapple.